Hi, welcome to Speed Scene Wiring. This is a quick tutorial on how to remove a coil pack connector on any LS-based GM engine or power plant. Remove the rear retaining lock. Locate the front side of the connector. Grab your green terminal tool that can be purchased on speedscenewiring.com. Place the top of the terminal tool into the top hat section of the connector. Slightly press down and move out the back side. To reinstall this same terminal, you can get your fingernail, pull up the back side of the terminal itself, place right back in, make sure you hear it lock. You're good to go. That's it.